Folks, pay close attention because you are about to unlock a multi-billion-dollar video market. That's right. You see, the ultimate show-and-tell video software, the #1 app especially suited to train and explain, Vidsnatcher is back, and we've gone mobile. Hi, I'm Todd Gross, and I absolutely love video. It's the most effective way to reach your audience when delivering any type of message at all. In fact, it's how I created my very successful online business. I would record demonstrations showing how to use various software apps. I became recognized as an authority as such and got paid a pretty penny to create how-to training videos for different apps. It was that simple. It's a lucrative model that's still used today to make big-time profits on sites like Udemy and YouTube. My team was so excited about this particular corner of the video creation market, so we actually created Vidsnatcher as a response and released it in early 2020. And boy, what crazy timing that was, because the world changed a whole lot by March and right through to today. So many people, of course, many more people are online now than they were then. We've all been sitting at home. Most of us have been learning, starting a new hobby, or polishing up on old ones. People are online looking for solutions. They're thirsty for videos that train and explain. In fact, I guess you could say they are part of the how-to or show-me e-learning market, which has exploded, absolutely exploded, into an absolute monster in 2020. Now, Vidsnatcher was there and filled this need immediately, but our users have helped us to make it even better. In fact, do this for just a moment. Close your eyes for just a moment and imagine. Imagine a cloud-based video editing software application with mobile recording at a mere fraction of the price of anything else on the market. A one-time only payment for unlimited use and unlimited video creation. And imagine if the app was equipped with all the must-have editing features you'd want, such as screen capture, voice recording, even text-to-speech with language translation, and much more. And now imagine being able to use this powerful software on behalf of your clients. Now open your eyes, because I have some great news. Today, my team, along with Brabant Technologies, is offering everything I just described, everything you dreamt of, in the form of Vidsnatcher 2.0, equipped with a prime user interface for mobile video production. It's bigger, it's better, it's faster, and it's the easiest to use yet. It's an exciting time with the advances in technology and video creation. There's no need to be on camera. There's no need to even speak to create great videos anymore, if you don't want to, that is, with the text-to-speech technology, which we include. And now you can create videos in virtually any language, opening up access to new markets around the world. It's this type of game-changing technology, combined with the hyper-growth in the how-to, training, and e-learning industries, that is currently setting the stage for you to capitalize on these advancements in a massive way. Vidsnatcher 2 is going to help you make it happen. The completely open canvas editing style with screen capture technology enables you to create any type of video, and it is perfect for those how-to explainer videos. Create a how-to video course using Vidsnatcher 2, then translate it into Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Italian. You get the picture. And then, how about this? Maybe even publish all of them on YouTube to drive affiliate marketing sales. There's a lucrative idea right there. You've just unlocked potential sales in all of those markets, and this strategy is applicable to literally every single niche you can think of. Now, as I mentioned, Vidsnatcher 2 is a truly open canvas video editor, which means you could do anything with it. You could take a video from other apps like Whiteboard, Kinetic, Spokesperson, Live Action, Screencast, Animation. The list goes on and on and on. You can combine them, you can edit them, you can enhance them to create a uniquely customized video. With Vidsnatcher 2, there really is no limit. This is what you've been looking for, to kind of combine and bind all the other video creation software you have out there. These features are amazing. Here's just a few of them. As I mentioned, to meet 2021's needs, we've added mobile recording. So you can use your phone to record anything, anywhere, at any time. The mobile recording then gets sent directly to your media library inside Vidsnatcher, ready for editing almost instantly. That is huge. How convenient is that? Screen capture, as you already know, is a big deal and is missing from so many other video editors. Green screen editing, one of my favorite features, of course. I'm known as the green screen guy. Well, that's included. And how about being able to play back a video you are editing and record your voice all at once at the same time within the editor? That's right. You play back the video, you record your voice while it's playing at the same time. It makes things so much simpler. You could do that too. So much easier than trying to stitch it together with the audio and the video separate, and then you have to manually kind of cram it all together. That's just not cool. You could also add transitions between the clips. You could add and edit text overlays. You can import icons from the icon library, and that icon library is built right in. You could upload subtitles, even share media directly from your media bin, and so much more. Now, everything you import and create is easily edited with Vidsnatcher's drag-and-drop timeline-style editing interface. Each video you produce is rendered in full HD quality. And since Vidsnatcher 2 is in the cloud, there's no downloading of the software at all or updates you have to worry about. We handle that on our end. If you create a larger project and you don't want to wait for it to render, you could close your browser and the video actually continues to process. We even send you an email as soon as it's finished so you can download it. Now that's a time saver. Your extremely minimal one-time investment for Vidsnatcher 2 commercial will be the last you'll really have to make for a video editor. And remember, this is a tool geared to propelling you into one of the fastest, and I mean fastest, growing online markets for years to come now. Now is the time to seize this opportunity. Don't miss the opportunity that is, of course, backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't believe that over the next several days or months, you'll be able to recoup your small one-time investment that you make today, we will send you your money back. Join the thousands of Vidsnatcher users by grabbing Vidsnatcher 2 at the lowest price it will ever be. You won't see pricing like this ever again. Take advantage of this limited time offer to get Vidsnatcher 2.0 and start making videos especially suited to train and explain.